Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to connect Psiphon VPN. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to connect or start using Psiphon VPN here, well, this one's going to be pretty easy. So the first thing that you want to do is want to install the app. Let's go open up the Google Play Store here, go to your search bar at the very top here, and just type in Psiphon. Now, once you do search for Psiphon, look for Psiphon VPN, click on the install button, and let's go and click on open. Now, from here, this will ask you a few notifications, a few access here. Let's go and click on OK. Now, from here, it's going to ask you if you want to allow notifications. You go and click on allow or don't allow here. But once you are in here, you will now be able to start using the app. Now, there are a few things that you need to remember here. Now, there are 4 options or 4 menus that you can access at the very top. You have homepage, where in this case, this is where you'll be able to start connecting. Now, the stats here, it is going to be your speed. So how much you sent and also you've received. You also have your options if you want to customize your VPN, like selecting your region, your VPN settings, your proxy settings here, and your personal pairing. Now, also, if you want to access more options, go and click on more options and disable a few things like using or choosing the default language, disable timeouts, or even like show malware alerts here, just in case. Now, you could also choose the logs option here if you want to see what happened with your connection. So if something happened, like for example, Psiphon here prevented certain attacks or any issues, that's where you'll be able to see it. Now, in order for you to start using it, you just need to click on the start button at the bottom left of your screen. Now, you may see some ads in here, so you just need to wait for a while. Now, once you've skipped the ads here, or once the ad has played, you can go and just click on continue at the very bottom here. You don't have to worry about it. And as you can see, it's now going to start the proxy. Again, just wait for a while. Let's go back into Psiphon Pro. As you can see, we are now connected. But yeah, so if you want to stop the connection, you can go and just click on the stop button at the bottom left of your screen. And you should be pretty much good to go. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.